Okay, here's a video walkthrough of a 2014 Forest River Greywolk model number 26 DBH. Storage compartments. There's your hot water heater. Battery propane tanks. Power hitch. Storage compartment there. This is your awning, power awning. One door, main entry door. Outside speakers, TV stand, and then power and accessories for the TV. Outside of the refrigerator, other side of the power awning. Back door. There's the back of the trailer. Backup camera installed. More storage. Tires. We'll zoom in on the tire, show you how good the tire tread is. More storage. Trailer's got a lot of storage. There's your cable satellite. Hot water heater again. And then there's your information. Alright, we'll go inside.